Kelly had been cheering since she was in elementary school, and now, as a senior in college, she was closer than ever to achieving her dream of becoming a professional cheerleader for the Los Angeles Lakers. Despite her parents' disapproval, Kelly ignored their pleas for her to pursue something more respectable like nursing or law, and instead threw herself into her passion with reckless abandon. As she cheered on her college sports teams, Kelly's energy and enthusiasm were infectious, inspiring her teammates to perform at their best. Her coaches took notice of her talent and dedication, and soon she was invited to try out for the Lakers' cheerleading squad. But as Kelly prepared for the audition, she faced unexpected challenges. Her parents, who had always been opposed to her career choice, threatened to cut her off financially if she didn't give up on her dream and pursue something more practical. Meanwhile, the pressure of the audition itself was intense, with dozens of other talented cheerleaders competing for just a handful of spots. Despite these setbacks, Kelly refused to back down. She knew that she had worked hard for this moment and wouldn't let anyone take it away from her. As she took the stage in front of a packed audience of scouts, choreographers, and other hopefuls, Kelly gave it everything she had, every last ounce of energy, passion, and determination. And when the results were announced, Kelly was overjoyed to find that she had made it onto the Lakers' cheerleading squad. As she stood on stage, surrounded by her new teammates, Kelly knew that she had finally achieved her dream, and she owed it all to her unwavering dedication and refusal to give up. But Kelly's journey didn't end there. As a member of the Lakers' cheerleading squad, she faced a whole new set of challenges, from grueling practices to high-pressure performances in front of thousands of screaming fans. And through it all, she had to navigate the complex web of relationships and rivalries that existed among the other cheerleaders. Despite these challenges, Kelly thrived. She became a leader on the squad, known for her infectious energy and unwavering support for her fellow teammates. And as she took the stage night after night, Kelly knew that she had finally found her true calling, and that nothing could ever take that away from her. In the end, Kelly's determination, hard work, and refusal to give up had paid off, both in her pursuit of her dream career and in the deep and meaningful friendships she forged along the way. She knew that no matter where life took her, she would always have a sense of pride and fulfillment, knowing that she had followed her heart and achieved her dreams. What was Kelly's dream career? Kelly's dream career was to become a professional cheerleader for the Los Angeles Lakers. What challenges did Kelly face as she prepared for the audition? Kelly faced financial pressure from her parents, who threatened to cut her off if she didn't give up on her dream, and intense competition from dozens of other talented cheerleaders. How did Kelly feel when she found out she had made it onto the Lakers' cheerleading squad? Kelly was overjoyed and felt that she had finally achieved her dream. What were some of the challenges Kelly faced as a member of the Lakers' cheerleading squad? As a member of the Lakers' cheerleading squad, Kelly faced grueling practices, high-pressure performances, and complex relationships and rivalries among the other cheerleaders. How did Kelly feel about her experience as a professional cheerleader in the end? Kelly felt that she had found her true calling and that nothing could ever take that away from her. She also felt proud of her accomplishments and the deep and meaningful friendships she forged along the way.